Treplev comes in without a hat on, carrying a gun and a dead seagull. Are you alone here? Treplev lays the seagull at her feet. I was base enough today to kill this gull and lay it at your feet. After a pause, so shall I soon end my own life? Yes, I have changed since the time when I ceased to recognize you. I have talked a great deal about new forms of art, but I feel myself gradually slipping into the beaten track. He reads. The placard cried from the wall, a pale face in a frame of dusky hair. Cried, frame, that is stupid. He scratches out what he has written. I shall begin again from the place where my hero is wakened by the noise of the rain. But what follows must go. This description of a moonlight night is long and stilted. Triggering has worked out a process of his own, and descriptions are easy for him. He writes that the neck of a broken bottle lying on the bank glittered in the moonlight, and that the shadows lay black under the mill wheel. There you have a moonlight night before your eyes. But I speak of the shimmering light, the twinkling stars, the distant sounds of a piano melting into the still and scented air, and then the result is abominable. The conviction is gradually forcing itself upon me that good literature is not a question of forms, new or old, but of ideas that must pour freely from the author's heart without his bothering his head about any forms whatsoever. A knock is heard at the window nearest the table.